Top 5 Keyboards for Programmers and Coders. Title: Top 5 Keyboards for Programmers and Coders. Introduction: 100 words. Programmers and coders spend hours upon hours typing lines of code, making the choice of the right keyboard an essential consideration. A keyboard specifically designed for their needs can greatly enhance efficiency, productivity, and overall comfort during long coding sessions. In this article, we will discuss the top 5 keyboards that are highly recommended for programmers and coders. These keyboards combine excellent build quality, ergonomic features, customizable layouts, and programmable keys to suit the demanding requirements of coding professionals. 1. DOS Keyboard Model S Professional, 250 words. The DOS Keyboard Model S Professional is often considered the gold standard for coding keyboards. Its renowned mechanical key switches, such as the Cherry MX Brown or Blue, provide a satisfying tactile feedback and require accurate actuation force, ensuring precise typing. The robust construction and solid build quality make it highly durable. Additionally, the keyboard incorporates a 2-port USB hub for convenient peripheral connectivity. Featuring a sleek layout devoid of any markings on the keys, the DOS Keyboard Model S enhances touch typing skills and eliminates reliance on looking at the keyboard while typing. 2. Ergodox Easy, 300 words. For those looking for a fully customizable and ergonomic solution, the Ergodox Easy stands out as an exceptional choice. This split keyboard comes with a unique design that allows users to adjust the positioning and angle of each half, minimizing strain on the wrists and promoting a more comfortable typing experience. The Ergodox Easy is an open-source keyboard, meaning its firmware can be easily modified to suit individual preferences. Users can reassign keys, create macros, and even develop their own layouts. This high level of customization, combined with mechanical switches options like Cherry MX and Kale, makes the Ergodox Easy a top choice for programmers looking to personalize their typing experience. 3. Ducky 12 Mini, 250 words. The Ducky 12 Mini is a compact yet highly functional keyboard favored by many programmers and coders. Its compact design and 10-keyless layout result in a smaller footprint, freeing up valuable space. Despite its diminutive size, the Ducky 12 Mini offers robust build quality and multiple switch options, including Cherry MX and Kale. This keyboard's programming capabilities are impressive, allowing users to customize key assignments, create macros, and modify backlighting effects. Users can conveniently store and switch between multiple profiles, easing the transition between different programming languages or personal preferences. The Ducky 12 Mini also supports N-key rollover, ensuring a smooth and accurate typing experience. 4. Logitech G915, 300 words. The Logitech G915 is a wireless keyboard designed to blend the convenience of wireless connectivity with the performance required by programmers and coders. Equipped with GL mechanical switches, the G915 offers a low actuation force, quick response time, and excellent durability. Its sleek and slim design, coupled with the absence of cables, provides a clutter-free workspace. Despite its wireless functionality, the G915 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours during uninterrupted coding sessions. The keyboard offers programmable keys, allowing users to assign macros and create intricate shortcuts. Logitech's G-Hub software facilitates customization, enabling users to personalize lighting CTS, save profiles, and synchronize settings across multiple devices. 5. Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional 2, 300 words. The Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional 2, HHKB, is a compact keyboard renowned for its minimalistic design and unique layout. It omits unnecessary keys and retains only the essentials, resulting in a compact form factor that promotes typing efficiency. Equipped with topper switches, the HHKB provides a satisfying and quiet typing experience. The high-quality build materials, coupled with a compact design, make this keyboard ideal for travel or tight workspaces. The HHKB does not offer backlighting or customizable keys but compensates with a highly reliable and comfortable typing experience. 6. Microsoft Surface Ergonomic Keyboard, 253 words. The Microsoft Surface Ergonomic Keyboard is a top-notch choice for programmers and coders who prioritize comfort and ergonomics. The keyboard's keys are well-spaced and offer a satisfying and quiet typing experience. The key travel is optimized for smooth and accurate typing, allowing for faster and more efficient coding. Additionally, the Surface Ergonomic Keyboard connects via Bluetooth, providing a clutter-free workspace and freedom of movement. One notable feature of this keyboard is its Alcantara-covered palm rest, which not only adds a touch of luxury but also ensures a soft and comfortable surface for resting your hands. The palm rest can be detached to allow for easy cleaning, ensuring that your keyboard remains hygienic over time. The Surface Ergonomic Keyboard is compatible with both Windows and macOS, making it a versatile choice for programmers using different operating systems. With its durable build quality and high-quality time materials, this keyboard is built to last. 7. Matias Ergo Pro, 300 words. The Matias Ergo Pro is a split keyboard specially designed to prioritize ergonomics and comfort for programmers and coders. This keyboard features a unique layout with two separate halves that can be adjusted to suit your individual preferences and reduce strain on your wrists and arms. Equipped with Matias quiet click mechanical switches, the Ergo Pro offers a satisfying typing experience with tactile feedback while keeping noise levels low. The keys have a generous amount of travel, providing a comfortable typing experience that reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries. One standout feature of the Ergo Pro is its inclusion of dedicated multimedia controls, making it easy to adjust volume, play, pause, and skip tracks without leaving your coding flow. This keyboard